Shandong GSK CNC Equipment Company Limited is a large-scale CNC machine tool manufacturer located in Tangzhou City, Shandong Province. The company covers an area of 40,000 square meters and has more than 100 sets of outstanding machining equipment and 50 sets of precision testing equipment. Advanced production processes and information-based workshops provide a strong guarantee for production. The company has more than 200 employees, including about 30 senior engineers and about 100 senior skilled personnel, which provides solid technical support for the company's product innovation, upgrading, and intelligent manufacturing. The main products are CNC Vertical Machining Center, CNC Horizontal Machining Center, CNC Gantry Machining Center, Flatbed CNC Lathe, Slant Bed CNC Lathe, Vertical CNC Lathe. The annual production capacity reaches 2,500 sets. The machines are widely used in automobile, power, IT engineering machinery, shipbuilding, petroleum, and other industries. Also have won many awards and patents. In addition to ISO, CE, EAC certificates, we can also provide other certificates according to your requirements. Our machines have been exported to more than 150 countries and regions covering North America, Europe, South America, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, etc. We are committed to expanding the global market, taking long-term, stable cooperation and development as our strategic goal, and providing customers with professional overseas technical guidance and complete after-sales services.